Napaka-basic ko lang, oh. Oh, like this. Guys, food is here.
Like and subscribe, Tito Shots Vlog. Cheers! Woo!
Good day, guys. It's your favorite Tito Chalk, and welcome back to my channel. So, it's my free day and I decided to go to the mall kasi may mga bibilin ako and titignan things for my upcoming travel, and of course, that's very exciting at makikita nyo rin kung saan ako pupunta. Of course, I'll take you along. Ipapakita ko sa inyo gaano ka-festive ang mall sa Pilipinas because coming from the Middle East, as you know, hindi naman big celebration ng Christmas doon. And dito sa Pilipinas, we start our Christmas as early as September 1. Tapos, ayun, nag-decorate na and things like that. Also, hindi na ako magdadala ng sasakyan kasi gaya nga ng sinabi ko sa unang vlog, napaka-traffic and ang hassle maghanap ng parking, ang hirap makipag-deal sa traffic sa Pilipinas. So, wala, commute tayo ngayon. Baka mag-grab or in-drive na lang siguro ako. And also, thank you doon sa mga nag-comment sa first kong video. I understand that the audio was not that clear. As you know, dun sa pinakita ko sa video, at the last part of the video, parang pinakita ko na dumating yung mic ko. And this is it, I'm using it now. Hopefully this time, mas maganda yung audio and mas marinig nyo ako and mas maintindihan and mas clear. Before leaving, while waiting for my in-drive to arrive, mag-Tito outfit check muna tayo. Kita ba? Hey! Lagi nyo ako makikita naka-black because it's my favorite color to wear. It's either black, dark blue or blue, and white. That's it. So I'm thinking of getting a new comforter. Pero nag-check pa ako ng good price kasi medyo pricey dito sa Pilipinas. So there, nagtitingin ako ng comforter dito sa mall. And let's see, sabi ko babalikan ko na lang kasi I'm looking for something plain. Pero mostly printed yung designs. But let's see, ikot pa tayo. So one thing that I like doing pag nasa mall is to grab coffee habang naglalakad. So coffee is life nakaka-relax talaga siya. So kanina hindi ko binili yung comforter kasi ang mahal. So I might just check online pero hindi ko alam. Titignan ko na lang kung meron pa akong makitang ibang offers. May iba pang offers mamaya. So let's see. Ngayon hanap muna ako ng coffee at konti pa yung coffee ko sa katawan. One thing that I like the most sa mga mall sa Pilipinas is yung they allow dogs to be inside the mall because most of you know, I mean my friends know that I am a fur dad. I have a baby, his name is Jackson. Dinidream ko na madala ko siya sa mall sa Pilipinas and makapag-ikot-ikot siya. Ala lang, ang saya lang because back in Doha, I cannot do that Medyo strict sila in terms of bringing pets inside the mall. Although there are areas where you could bring them like parks, mga ganyan. Wala lang. Hi ma'am. Can I get isang cold brew na caramel? Yes po. Regular. Yes ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Thank you. Okay, so I finally settled in sa coffee shop. I'm having a cold brew, caramel cold brew. This coffee costed me 225 pesos. So that is around 15 reals in QR. I usually take my coffee straight lang, parang black lang. Meron kasi akong espresso maker sa bahay. Usually in the morning, I make my own coffee. Black lang, no sugar. Pero now, parang I feel like drinking something sweet, but it's not too sweet, still coffee anyway. Hindi rin ako mahilig sa mga milk tea. I'm not sure kung ako lang ba yun, pero whenever nag-milk tea ako, parang bloated ako the whole day up until the next day. So no, hindi ako nahilig talaga. But I'm sure yung iba dyan talagang game na game pa rin sa milk tea with full sugar, and that's fine. So today wala naman talaga akong plans. I mean, gusto ko lang mag-ikot dito sa mall. Sabi ko nga kanina, I'll show you kung ano yung itsura ng mall dito sa Pilipinas. There's really a big difference sa mga versus the one in Qatar, the one in Europe, the one in the US, even in Japan. I mean, I think pinaka-okay pa rin yung malls natin dito sa Pilipinas. It's bigger, it's livelier. Of course, iba-iba lang yung mga shops as compared to the ones in the US or in Qatar. So, I just finished my coffee. And tara, ikot tayo naman. I don't know kung anong gagawin ko next. Maybe pa-facial or what. I don't know. Let's see. So, maybe we can normalize na mag-Claygo tayo whenever na nasa fast food tayo or not in a proper sitting restaurant. I hope we could practice doing Claygo kasi kawawa naman yung mga ibang customers gagamit next. So let's fix this tray na. Thank you. So katapos ko lang mag-dinner, I had adobo, belly adobo. And then now, we're having cake. Check. This is the lemon tort and ube for them. Hi! Usually after eating, lagi akong nagkakaroon ng allergic rhinitis. Parang I've always had this since nung bata pa ako. Hindi na siya nawala. Although sometimes pag sobrang lala niya, that's when I take antihistamines na. Hindi rin ako pwedeng mag-sweets palagi kasi nagkakaroon naman ako lagi ng tonsillitis. So, pag tumatanda, ang dami mo na-feel. So, sinabihan na ako ng doctor sa Doha na baka pwede ko na ipatanggal. Sabi ko, yung tonsils ko, sabi ko, wait lang, wag muna. Pag ready na ako. Because parang nakatakot, parang sakit, parang mahapdi. No way, wag muna. So, what I do after eating anything sweet, fina-flush out ko siya lagi agad ng water. Kasi, ano yun, parang hindi mag-stay yung sugar sa throat ko. Good day guys. So today is the next day. So hindi ko natapos yung vlog ko kahapon dahil medyo pagod na. And today babalik ako sa mall to finish kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. Well, like sabi ko naman, wala naman ako talagang plans to do anything there, pero magtitingin-tingin lang ako ng mga pwedeng mabili. At the same time, I have an appointment with my dermatologist ng 3 p.m. So, wala, magpapaasas lang kung anong pwedeng gawin dahil, habang tumatanda ka, gusto mong gusto mong mas magmukhang fresh, kagaya ni Santa Claus dito. I also developed a red eye, pink eye now. Well, irritated lang yung right eye ko. And maybe siguro dahil mali yung pagkakatulog ko or what. But, konti lang naman siya. Not too much. Ayun, so samahan nyo ako ulit going back sa mall. It would still be part of this vlog entry. And let's see kung ano pang gagawin ko. I might also meet up with one of my best friends. And sana matuloy, but magkausap na kami. And if ever matuloy, I'll show you who she is mamaya. She'll be part of the vlog. Before ako malis, I'm actually here sa loob. I'm with my tita, Tita Carol. Hi, tita! And Mudra Bells. Mom, hi! Bonding ang mag-sisters. So there, paalis na rin ako. I'm waiting for my in-drive. Again, hindi ako magdadala ng sasakyan dahil sobrang traffic. Tamad na ang tito. Bye! So I just had a consultation with the dermatologist. So I'll have my facial first, and then I'll have some few sessions in the coming days. And while habang nagpapa-facial, I'm still waiting for my friend. She's still in another mall so magkikita na lang kami dito later, and then probably get some coffee. Sabi, pag tumatanda, alam mo yun, ang dami mong kailangan ipagawa sa katawan mo. Like fine lines, your scars, your health, basta everything. So while waiting, I have here Miss Mel. Hi, Ate Mel. Hi, ay. Very cute nung shop na to. Twice na ako nagpunta dito. The first time was when my friend Maxime gifted me a session here. And then ayun, dito na rin ako bumalik the last time. And so, like what I said earlier, I have to do a couple of sessions because diba, I'll have an upcoming trip so after the New Year celebration, and then I'll go back here, then have that session, and then hinday, and then babalik na naman tayo sa reality. I'll go back to Doha. Ayun, very tight. Imagine 1 month lang yung vacation ko sa Philippines, pero I want to maximize the things na pwede kong gawin dito. So katatapos ko lang magpa-facial, feel so good. Nakaantok sobra. So it's my first session, and then I'll be back here on the 27th for another, basta may mga ipapagawa tayo kay Doc. I'm done here na. Imimit ko naman yung friend ko for dinner, and then while waiting for her, mag-iikot-ikot muna ako. Tomorrow for the Noche Buena, si Mudra, my mom, wanted us to wear something red or green. Hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-wear ng something colorful, but for the spirit of Christmas, susukat tayo. Napaka-basic ko lang like this. Alright, so dito na yung friend ko. She's waiting for me outside. Then magdi-dinner kami. Papakilala ko siya sa inyo later. So, nabili ko na yung shirt na gagamitin ko tomorrow for the Noche Buena. And kasama kami yung friend ko. We're going to have dinner. Japanese food tonight.
Japanese samurai.
Nagbanyo lang siya, so let's wait for her. So kayo, what are your plans for the Noche Buena? Meron din ba kayong mga tradition, like your family would wear something colorful, red or green or maybe gold? well, hindi naman kami required, I mean, really before to wear something coordinated, like terno, but to happen this year, some of our relatives will be spending their time or the Christmas holiday sa bahay. Doon sila mag-celebrate ng Noche Buena, so we'll be having some gift giving, things like that, and of course, mga pamangkin will be visiting us sa bahay. It's going to be really merry and happy. That's diba? Happy times, joyful times with your family, and of course, celebrating the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. Last year, nagluto ako ng steak and failed. Because what I did was, nung time na yon was prepare ko na yung steak and then we went out for the mass, for pumunta kami ng church basically. Na-prepare ko na yung steak. So, pag uwi namin, by the time na Noche Buena na, tigas na yung meat. And, ayun, they're serving tea now. Thank you. Thank you. So, ayun, kaya hindi na ako magluluto this time. So, mostly si mommy and then umorder na lang kami ng ibang food for Noche Buena. Binibidyohan ako ng friend ko ngayon. Habang nag-vlog ako. Ito siya, oh. Ayan. Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog!
Ano masasabi mo? Ay, hiya si Tita Pam. So, Pam is one of my best friends and batchmate in high school. Actually, marami kami. We're 7 in the group. Ay, 8 ba? Ilan ba tayo? 7, 8. What's your name? What's your name? Midway. Guys, food is here. Yum. Ano nga itong order ko? Katsudon, yeah. And then ikaw is tonkatsu. And then may rolls kami. Complete set. Sarap. Hindi ko na-press. Ang tagal din namin kumakain. Hindi ko pala na-press yung record. Newbie. Ulit, kakain kami ulit. Na kunwari, hindi namin alam na may video. Ang dami. Hindi, okay lang din kasi may mga napagkwentuhan tayong hindi dapat Wait, so ano ba yung medicines mo? Hey guys, so tapos na kami kumain and look at this, sobrang ubos yung food namin, walang natira. So baka mag-coffee kami after nito, and I'm gonna end this vlog now. Just a friendly reminder that you should always finish your food because maraming batang nagugutom, maraming taong hindi nakakaroon ng chance makakain na maayos. Like maybe once a day lang sila nakakain or worse, nothing at all. It's a good reminder na we should not waste food. If you have the privilege na makakain sa mga restaurants or makakain ng 3 beses sa isang araw, you are lucky. So ubusin yung food nyo, huwag kayong magsasayang. That's it. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tito Chuck's Vlogs. And like ko sinasabi, I'll do my best to make you happy. Bye!